I am still getting used to the other. Next week is Thanksgiving, and it's mid-80s today, light 80s, and I'm riding my bike. So cool. All right. Back in Illinois, I had my go-to dealership. I would love to go and hang out, check out the new bikes. And if you guys watched my videos before, I was always at Ukes in Wisconsin. Ukes Harley Davidson. So I haven't really made one home yet out here. So I figured today I'm going to go to the farthest one from my house. So today we're going over to Bert's Barracuda Harley Davidson. Let's go. So everyone who has a Harley has that one dealer you love to hang out at, check out the new models, talk to other riders, and some good dealerships will even go ahead and remember you and ask you how your ride is and kind of do a follow-up. I had a negative experience. I'm not here to bash other dealerships because, well, they got bills to pay too, families, so I'm not going to do that. But where I really found really good relationship, it was over at Ukes Harley Davidson up in Wisconsin. And that was about a 50-minute ride for me. And it was worth it. So now that I'm here in Florida, I haven't found a hangout Harley as of yet. So I figured I'd pick the farthest one, which is Bert's Barracuda Harley Davidson out in St. Pete. According to the GPS, it's about, I don't know, 45 minutes, I think it said, 50. I guess it depends on the time of day. So about the same distance or time they used to take me to go to Ukes. So, been out in Florida for about a month now, and it's, you can see, it's just gorgeous. I'm not used to this. I'm riding sleeveless, comfortable, jamming the music, and it's like 80 something degrees out or something. I'm loving this. Back in Illinois, my Blue Angel would have been put away already for the season. Before Thanksgiving, I'm out riding a bike. This is crazy. I hope I never get over this high, over this giddiness. Give it a ride in the week before Thanksgiving, that's insane. Alright, no, be brave. to the Barracuda. Let's check it out. Pretty good ride there too. Last time I was here, it was my daughter's wedding. I got a really cool Zippo here too. I think I got everything. And that's where I saw my Blue Angel. Let's go inside and check it out. That looks sick. Bikes here. I know they have their own paint shop too. It's a candy store for me here. Road King, I love this color. And they got bikes all down through the store. So they do have their own custom shop. Oh, that looks beautiful. The cameras aren't doing it justice. Look at this green. That is sick. Flames. Even that the rustic look. This is pretty gnarly. At the end of this week, they have a bike rally. That whole area back there is all wide open. You got the OCC museum there. And all that back there is wide open. They got a stage back there and everything. Looks like they got it closed off because they're setting it up. But that's going to be happening starting Thursday night. This place is really cool. They got so many bikes and everything. So I'll be here for the bike rally. All right, I'm going to head home. So, small video, if you can put it together. I got 2 more Harley places to check out. Not today, but I'll check it out later. So, if it's your first time to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification so we can let you know when our stuff is up. Other than that, find a purpose for your ride. No matter what it is, just find a purpose for it, okay? God bless you. We'll talk to you later. Peace!